is being recorded. Yes. So, for the ones who are watching the recording, this is the day 16 of our journey to the right financial literacy. And our topic for today is what?
It's what? Wow, what a great topic.
Okay. कोई है जिसको याद है आज का टॉपिक क्या है? अभी तो 24 घंटे भी नहीं हुए.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, so the topic for today was how rich avoid taxes. हाँ, वो रास का पर्दा
उठाना है.
था.
Yes. पर्दा उठाना है.
उठाना
Okay.
है.
Yes. Now before that, कल किसने ज्वाइन नहीं किया था? कृतिका ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया था एंड शनाया ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया था. नहीं, शनाया joined
I had to go out on dinner.
yesterday,
Yeah,
but you joined late या फिर you attended half of it?
I didn't join.
Okay. So just for Geetika and Shanaya, हम एक छोटा सा revision करेंगे and I would like Nishchint to explain what we did.
Okay, so first we did was the difference between interest and tax. So tax is what you pay to government. Interest is when you take a loan, you pay the interest to. But when you deposit your money in bank, the bank pays you interest. So that is interest. The difference between interest and tax. Mm, the next was we did was that the rich people buy things, like they take loan to buy things. Let it be a 100 rupee cup. Okay, so they take loan and they get loan for like very low rate of interest, and they get really low rate of interest because they give bank their stocks against the loan. Basically, the loan is the actual income of the rich people because they use that money for like everything. And they give their stocks as security to the bank. I think that was it.
So firstly, क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Okay, so firstly, how interest and tax are different. Tax is what you pay to the government every time you take a breath, basically every time you take a breath, and then an interest is what you pay to the bank or what you get from the bank. Okay. Now, I want Shanaya and Gitika to listen to me. बाकी लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं उन्हें करने दो. Okay. So now, okay, when the rich people they want to buy something, they take a loan from the bank. What they do is they give some stocks of their company to the bank, and then in return they take a loan. Let's say they give their company stocks worth 1 crore rupees to the bank, and then they take, let's say, 50 lakhs. Okay, clear? Now, what they do next is they use the 50 lakhs to do whatever they want to. And then when जब 1 crore के stocks 2 crore हो जाते हैं, those people, what they do is now this is what we're going to discuss today. So before I start, imagine you're walking through a garden and you see 2 mango trees. Now one is small, but उसमें बहुत सारे mangoes हैं. The other one is big, उसमें बहुत कम mangoes हैं. Okay, I'll repeat this. imagine you're walking through a garden and you see two mango trees. One is small but covered in mangoes, and the other one is massive but has only a few mangoes. Which tree would you pick to own?
The small one, I guess.
Okay, Sneha?
Just imagine.
I would get the bigger one because later it would sprout more, maybe.
Okay. Distant?
Probably the small one.
Shreyas? Or
Yes.
which tree would you pick?
Tree? What? I didn't hear you.
Okay, I'll repeat. This is the third time, and this is the third and the last time. You are walking through a garden. You see two mango trees. One is small but covered in mangoes. The other one, the,
The other one is the big one, which has less mangoes on. Like the other tree is the big tree, but it has less mangoes.
Okay, so I'd choose the shorter one with more mangoes.
okay, now I want you all to give me a reason. Why would you pick the bigger one or the smaller one?
Okay, shall I just tell it here?
Yes.
I'd pick the one because that has more mangoes because after I eat those mangoes, I'll take those seeds and plant it. Then I'll get more trees.
That's a good point. Distant? Okay. Lakshmi?
Because maybe it can sprout more, and I would also plant more, same as Shreyas.
है कुछ भी वो उसने बोला तो you repeated the response.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Distant?
Okay, so I had picked like the small one, the shorter one with big mangoes because it has more mangoes, which means I have like more
Acha.
profit because I have more mangoes.
Okay. And Shania?
I think both of them are right in their own ways. Like the small one would be right because like it would be easy to get lots of mangoes because the tree is small, and the big one would be right because like it's going to have lots of mangoes if you let them grow.
Okay. And Gitika?
I would pick the smaller one because it has like more mangoes, and of course, like all the points are connected. Like we can plant more trees from it, and etc. etc. Like there are more mangoes, then we can do more things from it.
Okay. Great. Now, this is a game of perspectives, I must say. Okay, the next part. Today we'll do how the rich repay the loans and how they grow their wealth, just like picking the right mango tree. Okay, and before that, this isn't just about what the rich do. It's about what you can learn to make smarter financial decisions. Okay, तो बस ये नहीं कि सुन लिया सुन के चले गए घर. Okay, you have to learn it, understand it, and implement it. बड़े होके क्या बनना है? जॉब करोगे? देखो रॉबर्ट क्यूसाकी ने भी जॉब करी थी, बट देन ही वर्कड इन जेरोक्स कॉर्पोरेशन, बट देन वो घर पे आके अपना अपने एसेट्स कॉलम को बिल्ड करते थे, एंड देन विल टॉक अबाउट हिज स्टोरी लेटर. ओके, द रिच, they don't take loans because they are broke. They take loans because they understand how to use other people's money, and that's it. देखो अगर इसमें मैंगो ट्री का एग्जांपल ले, तो you planted a mango seed and borrow someone else's water to make it grow legally. चोरी नहीं कर रहे हो आप किसी का पानी. That's legal. मतलब depends. Okay. Now, and I said I said that you are borrowing someone's money, not stealing someone's money. ठीक है? तो okay, before that, why do you think the rich people they borrow money when they already have so much? Anyone?
Because if they will use that money, they would have to pay tax.
Yes.
Like
Shreyas?
from
Is it because they want to make us more poor?
Make us what?
Because they want to make us more poor.
No. They look this way. You can use their strategies to make others more poor, but you won't. Why? Because you didn't notice that payout, right?
Oh, what if they don't pay us back?
No, they do pay us back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, if we had money, if we were rich, what would you use a loan for? Sneha?
Car.
Car. Okay. And किस काम के लिए कार?
Rent पर ले ले.
Okay. And Nischint?
to buy everything that I want. 2 cars, one to give for rent, second for like my personal use. Next, I would buy 2 houses, one for myself, then one to put it on rent. And then all the everything, alcohol markers, and my clothes, cups, etc., etc., etc. Okay.
Alafir, what would you buy?
I would buy a Rolls Royce just for renting it. Yeah, Rolls Royce and just for renting it.
रोल्स रॉयस रेंट पे कौन लेगा? नहीं, किसी को रोल्स रॉयस चलानी भी है तो वो खरीदेगा ना.
नहीं ले लेगा ना, मतलब ऐसे ही.
अरे नहीं, मतलब जो चीज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अ मार्केट टू सेल योर होमवर्क, कोई खरीदेगा? लोगों को चाहिए ही नहीं आपका होमवर्क, तो वो क्यों खरीदेंगे? लोगों को जो चाहिए वो बेचो ना.
Okay, so if not a Rolls Royce, then I would take like 100 taxis and rent them.
ओके. एंड
ऐसा आएगा ना.
क्या 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 आएगा? पैसा आएगा.
उससे तो वो तो लेंगे ही लोग.
ओके. नाउ द रिच वो क्या करते हैं? वो उससे पैसिव इनकम बनाते हैं. देखो, मिडिल क्लास पीपल एंड पुअर पीपल दे टेक लोन्स टू बाय हाउस टू लिव, दे टेक लोन्स टू बाय अल्कोहल मार्कर्स, एंड वो उनसे लाइबिलिटीज खरीदते हैं, बट हमें एसेट्स खरीदने हैं. ओके. ठीक है. तो नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग हाउ दे पे बैक देयर लोन्स. उससे पहले विल टॉक अबाउट योर मैंगो ट्री. एक मिनट. So they say your company is your mango tree. ठीक है. Let's take your mango tree as your company, and it's a average mango tree. ऐसे नहीं कि वो छोटा है and it gives more mangoes, या फिर वो बड़ा है and it gives less mangoes. It's an average mango tree, and it is worth 10 crores. मतलब how can a mango be 10 crores? Okay, but हाँ 10 crores है वो. It's a magical mango tree, let's say. Then आप क्या करोगे? उसको बैंक को दोगे, and because it is worth 10 crores, तो बैंक ले लेगा. Okay. So बैंक ने ले लिया, and then you give a tree worth 10 crores, and then you take 3 crores, let's say. My next question, अगर आप 10 करोड़ का ट्री दे रहे हो, तो why will the bank not give you 10 crores back? Sneha?
The money with the amount of money we want, they will only give that much.
हाँ, तो but there are some negotiation, right? कुछ तो बात करोगे तो you can't just take 10 crores. The reason you can't. Nischint?
Okay, so you want me to answer that? Why हमने like बैंक ने मुझे 10 करोड़ का लोन क्यों दिया, 3 करोड़ का दिया, right?
3 crore का या
Be-
5 crore का? Yeah. हाँ, the question is, yeah.
Because उन्होंने ट्री as अपने पास हमेशा के लिए नहीं रखा ना, because it was for just a security.
But वो 10 crores दे सकते हैं, मतलब ये reason doesn't match. Alakvi, what do you think?
Let me think. Okay, then I'll answer again.
Okay. Shania, what do you think?
Sorry, what?
When you give a tree of 10 crores to the bank, why will the bank not give you 10 crores and instead give you just 5 crores of loan? Yes, yes.
Either they're trying to scam us or the worth of the tree is gone low.
Close. Alakveer?
Maybe because the past loan we haven't paid for that.
It's not you who are giving it, it's the rich people, though they have paid their loans. Yes, Sneha?
आई गेस उन्हें लगता है अगर हमने गलती से भी स्कैम कर दिया तो उनको प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए ना थोड़ा.
हम स्कैम क्यों करेंगे? Shania?
So that you can like slowly pay the loan back. Because you're not going to be able to pay like 10 crores directly. Like,
Not exactly. Okay, निश्चिंत सोच लिया या फिर मैं बता दूं?
Because I think that maybe the value of stocks will fluctuate, and yeah, I think that is it.
Yeah, exactly. So, आपने जो पेड़ दिया है हो सकता है वो खराब हो जाए. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि आप उस ट्री को उठा के बैंक के अंदर रख के आओगे, है ना? तो बारिश की वजह से या किसी भी रीजन से पेड़ खराब हो सकता है, उसके मैंगोज खराब हो सकते हैं, राइट? तो इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट दैट द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट 10 करोड़ का ट्री विल ऑलवेज ग्रो. इट कैन ऑल्सो decrease. It can go to like 9 crores, 7 crores or 5 crores, right? And that's the same with stocks. या फिर अगर आपने एज सिक्योरिटी अपना अपना घर दिया है या फिर अपनी बाइक दी है या फिर गोल्ड दिया है, that will also fluctuate. Okay? Now, you have given a 10 crore ka tree to the bank. You've taken 3 crores back. And now because you are a person with financial IQ, you use those 3 crores to build your assets and not buy alcohol markers. Okay? Over time, the mango tree, it grows taller and uski value ho jati hai 20 crores. Okay. Now, what will you do? क्या आप बोलोगे कि मुझे आधा पेड़ काट काट के दे दो, मैं उसको बेच दूंगा, 10 करोड़ उसको बेच दूंगा, या फिर what will you do? स्नेहा? श्रेयस?
I will take it's still a mango tree, right? So I'll take the mangoes and sell it.
And what about the capital gains tax?
What is that?
Okay, when you sell something for a profit, now that depends on what thing are you selling, but when you sell something for with a profit, you have to pay some of the profit to the government as tax. So if you sell one mango in 100 for 100 rupees and your profit is 100 rupees, you have to pay like 15% or 30%, 30 rupees or 15 rupees to the government. Okay, so you have a loss of 30 rupees. Nischint?
Maybe we can take more loan from the bank if the values of the mango tree rises.
Yes, close. Now, अब उन्होंने क्या किया? They had 3 crores from the bank as a loan. ठीक है, और वो 3 crores उन्होंने खर्च कर दिए. Now what they do is they go to the bank and tell them कि मेरे पेड़ की value it's grown to 20 crores. Now 10 crores पे you took a loan of 3 crores. Now and 20 crores पे you can take some more loan. What you do is you take a loan of let's say 7 crores or 8 crores. Okay. Now 3 crores आपको repay करना है and you have 8 crores right now. है ना? What you do is you give those in 8 crores में से you give 3 crores to the bank, you left with 5 crores. उन 5 crores को आप enjoy करो. 3 crore का लोन आपका खत्म हो गया. Now you have now if you ask me कि I have to pay that loan back, वो 8 crores का लोन वापस देना है ना? Now it's not that कि आपने लोन लिया और जब मन करे पे कर दोगे, है ना? There's a limit कि 8 सालों में, 10 सालों में या 15, 20, 30 years, right? Now that 3 crore का loan, let's say you took it for 5 years. You said said that I'll pay this loan back in 10 years, let's say, है ना? Now you took another loan of 8 crores, out of which you paid 3 crores, तो ये वाला loan खत्म हो गया. Now this 5 crores you have to these 8 crores you can extend your timeline. Okay, you can extend the repayment timeline and now you have more years to pay off that loan. Clear? ठीक है, तो you take another new loan of 8 crores, you pay off 3 crores and you build assets from the rest 5 crores or you can buy alcohol markers. ठीक है, and that is one way out. Another thing that you can do is, now this is what is legal in India and other countries में भी होगा, but the taxes are according to India का system. Okay, what you do is okay, you took, now let's say your mango tree is your company or your corporation. Okay, उस पे एक mango you sell it, if you sell it, okay, let's say that one mango is equal to one stock, one share of that company, and one share is equal to 100 rupees for today or for this month or this week. Okay, now what you do is scenario same है. आपने पहले से आपने 10 crore का अपना पेड दे रखा था, you took 3 crores, and another way that you can pay off that loan is you can sell your mangoes. Now उस पे capital gains tax लगेगा, but another thing out is, now most people don't know about this, so they cannot get the advantage. In India, when you buy shares up or SIP, the first 2 years, this is what Nishin said yesterday, but you didn't fully understand it. क्या किया आपने कि आपने let's say 1st January को एक SIP करी of 15,000 rupees. SIP is when you pay 1,500 rupees या फिर 2,000 rupees every month. Okay, and then after a few years it grows. Or let's say, अच्छा, let's talk about stocks only. You bought a stock on 1st of January and you held it for 31st December of the next year. So it's exactly 2 years. Now 2 सालों के बाद 1st of January पे आप उसको sell करोगे तो आपको एक प्रॉफिट मिला 1 lakhs का, है ना? उस पे टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. क्यों? Because when you invested 10 lakhs on 1st of January 2025 and then you wait 2 years, मतलब exactly 2 years के बाद you get a profit of 1 lakh. Now after 1 year the first lakh will not have any tax, but if you had a profit of 2 lakhs and you you sold your stocks, you had a profit of 2 lakhs, you'll have to pay taxes on one of the half of it, the half of your profit. समझ में आया? पहले तो everyone on camera. Alakveer and Shanaya.
Your voice is lagging. I'm not able to hear you properly.
Wait. अब आ रही है? Clear? Better? Okay. तो 1 जनवरी 2025 आपने एक स्टॉक खरीदा या फिर आपने स्टॉक्स खरीदे 10 लाख के, ठीक है? 1st of January 2025 you bought stocks of 10 lakhs, and then after 2 years, which is 2027, nahi, at the end of 2020, okay, 31st December, nahi, 1st January of 2027, exactly 2 years, 365 days plus 365 days, calculate कर लेना. Exactly 2 years के next day आपने उसको sell किया on a profit of 1 लाख रुपीज. तो 10 lakhs में खरीदा था, 11 lakhs में बेच दिया, है ना? उस प्रॉफिट पे आपको कैपिटल गेन्स टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. क्यों? बिकॉज you sold the stock after 2 years. Secondly, you had a profit of 1 lakh, है ना? But if after 2 years you had a profit of now again आपने 1st जनवरी को 10 लाख का खरीदा, exactly 2 years के बाद आपने उसको 12 lakhs का बेचा on a profit of 2 lakhs. Okay, तो फर्स्ट लाख पे टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. the first lakh is tax free, but the second lakh profit you have to pay a tax of capital gains, है ना? Sneha? Yes.
What is the meaning of capital gain?
Can't hear you. You're not audible.
Of capital gain, right?
1 minute. Yes. Are you speaking something?
What is the meaning of capital gains tax?
Profits means capital gain. After 10 lakh rupees, 11 lakhs हो गया, that's profit. The profit is capital gain. You gain 1 lakh rupees. Your capital is gain.
When you have a profit के ऊपर आपको टैक्स देना पड़ेगा. बट अगर आपने 2 सालों के बाद बेचा तो पहले लाख पे आपको नहीं पे करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद जितने भी लाख का प्रॉफिट हुआ है उस पे करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? नाउ लेट्स से यू आर थोड़े से ग्रीडी. यू बॉट ग्रीडी. ओके, यू बॉट इट ऑन 1st of January. You bought stocks on 1st of January for 10 lakh rupees, ठीक है? नाउ उसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट ईयर 2026 में यू हैव अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 1 lakhs. अभी 2 साल नहीं हुए, इट्स जस्ट 1 year, ओके? एंड यू सेल दैट स्टॉक फॉर 11 lakhs. नाउ बिकॉज यू सोल्ड इट विद इन 2 years, 2 साल खत्म होने से पहले आपने बेचा, इसलिए आपको उस पूरे अमाउंट पे 11 lakhs पे टैक्स देना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो what the rich do is they understand this, and now what they do is they sell their stocks after 2 years, not exactly 2 years, but after 2 years when they have a profit of 1 lakh. तो क्या करते हैं? Yes, प्रदीप सर. माइक.
It's like कि आपने 10 lakh rupees में buy किया, आपने 11 lakhs में sell किया. You got a profit of 1 lakh rupees, right? If you sell it below the 2 years of timeline, यानी जल्दी बेच दिया, so that 1 lakh rupees is capital gain tax of 20%. That means government will charge you 20% tax. But if it is beyond 2 years, आपने 2 साल से ज़्यादा रखा, then your capital gain tax is 12% only. So half tax हो गया. Plus 1 lakh rupees पे government tax नहीं मांगती है आपसे. Beyond 1 lakh आपको tax pay करना पड़ेगा. So if you sell it early, you have to have pay tax, no option. वो भी 20%. But if you hold it for long term, you are a proper investor, you are not gambler, you are investing for long term. So after that 2 years of long term, government will charge you only half tax plus first lakh rupees घर लेके जाओ बिना tax के. They people just rotate this money. every year they book 1 lakh rupees of profit, तो वो टैक्स फ्री है, उसके ऊपर नहीं प्रॉफिट लेने का, 1 लाख रुपए लेने का, बाकी छोड़ देने का.
Clear? Everyone? Any doubts? या फिर कुछ ऐसा कि कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया?
मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं आया, मेरे को तो रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी पड़ेगी.
Shanaya, you got it?
Yeah, I guess like I can watch the recording as well once more to just make sure I got everything.
Okay. And Shreyas?
I didn't understand it like entirely, but most of it is clear.
Okay. What exactly did you not understand?
I don't understand about the capital or tax part, like how is money going, or that confusing part.
Okay, the whole of it is confusing actually. कोई बात नहीं. Just I'll tell it once more. Now, you look, when you invest for long term, you pay half of the tax. अगर आपने 2 सालों के अंदर सेल कर दिया, if you have a profit within 2 years या फिर before 2 years, then you have to pay 20% tax and on the whole amount, on 12 lakhs or 20 lakhs, whatever your profit is, okay? But if you sell it, if you keep it for long term, if you sell it after 3, 4, 10 years or 20 years, then you have to pay just 10% tax and you have to pay tax on just, you don't have to pay tax on 1 lakh of the profit and उसके अलावा जितना भी profit है उस पे tax pay करना है, okay? So if you keep it for long term, it's a benefit for you. And if you keep it for like 2 years and sell it before 2 years, it's you have you give out 20% of your whole capital. Clear? Got it? Okay. So, Pakka clear? Okay. Now, how many of you know what is dividends? स्नेहा, वो डिविजन वाला डिविडेंड्स नहीं. Okay. Acha, before that, Sneha, you told yesterday that the rich people, they save taxes from trusts. Do you know what are trusts? Nishin, do you know?
No, I'm not aware of.
Alakvi, switch on your camera. Shanaya,
I don't know.
okay. Look, when your parents have a house, they have a car, they have money. Now, when they pass away, that money isn't going to, that house isn't going to stay where it is, or that car isn't going to stay in that parking, right? They'll pass it to you, right? Now, you can't just, parents can't just divide. They
Did you
can't just,
call?
what?
Did you took my name
Yes,
or what?
for switching on your camera. And keeping your camera switched on. Okay. So, now, they want to pass their assets or all of their wealth to you, and if you are 2 or 3 children, obviously you'll fight. Okay, you want everything. You want the car also, you want the house also, and you want the money also, and you want the gold coin also. But लड़ाई करना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है ना. So this is where trusts help you, and everything is controlled by your parents. Now, what do trusts do? They follow the command of your parents. वो क्या करते हैं? They give all their houses to the trust. They give all their money, they give all their cars, all their assets, and whatever they want to pass to you. Okay. And they give it to the trust. The trust has the authority. Now, what your parents do is they write on a paper कि my house will go to this son, my money will go to this daughter, my cars will go to ये वाला बच्चा, and my gold coin will go to ये वाला बच्चा, and you have to pay my बच्चे की school fees. This is what trusts do. This is what the parents tell the trusts to do. You have to take care of my बच्चे की health by paying money. Obviously, वो आपके मुंह में चम्मच डाल के आपको खाना नहीं खिलाएंगे, unfortunately. And they say, what else? They say कि take care that my child doesn't waste my money. Okay. Now they write it on a paper. Not exactly, but we're taking it as an example. And they tell that when my child is 20 years of age, give this thing to them at this time. Now, and when my child is retired from their job, give this thing to them at this time. Okay. And what the trust says, your wish is my command. Now, okay, clear with what trusts are. है ना? Now, if you are not given the car, you can't fight the trust or you can't sue the trust because it didn't give you the car, because you were ought to have the house and not the car. Okay. And trusts have all the authority over your parents' wealth because they said. It's not that they're stealing your stuff. Yes, Shania?
But like, how can you really trust them? Because like your parents have passed and they can't you won't know what your parents told them.
Well, you have to talk to your parents about that. Okay, you पहले से ही उनको बोलना होता है कि मैं तो अच्छा बच्चा हूँ, मुझे ये चीज दे दो प्लीज. Okay. Now we are up with time, so let's end this quick. Any doubts? We'll continue tomorrow. Clear सब कुछ? ऐसा तो कर दो कम से कम. Okay. So that's it for today, teens. अच्छा नहीं उससे पहले I want to give you a quote. Yes, your mindset will always be your greatest asset or your biggest liability. So make sure you study well in school and then study about money too. So let's take a picture first. Hearts. Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. So that's it for today, teens. Let's get the right financial literacy and not just material wealth. That's me, Kavyanjali Raval, signing off until tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Can we talk for a